Hi, I'm Rochelle, the mother of the mother-daughter team of Godiva's Secret Wigs. And if you know me, you know my favorite wig is, what are you thinking, girls? Freedom in Nutmeg-F. So 1, 2, 3. I own 3 and some are very old. I've got one girl's 10 years old. But because I have so many wigs, I can switch around and they last for years and years. Today I want to talk about maintaining your wigs and keeping them beautiful once they're starting to get older, aging a little beautifully. That's what we want them to do, right? Just like us. So I want to talk about 3 products today. The first one is a Wig Lusterizer and Conditioner. The second is a Wig Freshener. And the third, one of my favorites, is Vivace. And I'm going to explain what they're all for and how they all work. So first of all, if you're brand new to beautiful wash and wear wigs, high quality synthetic wigs, this is Godiva's Secret Wigs.com wigs. This is one of our most popular wigs all over the world. Freedom is what it's called. And Nutmeg-F is this particular color. And I am nuts for this wig. Sometimes I punk it up. I wear it flat. I can just do anything I want with this wig. And I don't like to let them go. And I don't let the kids or the dogs play with my wigs. And I really don't loan out my wigs unless I'm supervising what's going on with them, because we're paying a good amount of money for these wigs. They're not toys. I like to treat our wigs like beautiful lace lingerie, and that thought is really going to help you take more care of the wigs, and they're going to last you so much longer. But I get the question all the time, if I have one wig, how long is it going to last? So my answer is, if you wear a wig every single day and you wash it regularly, once for every 10 to 15 washes, then I would say or suggest that you replace it within 9 to 12 months. So figure a year. The problem comes about, and you've probably seen women somewhere in your life with wigs that are dull, they're very dry on the ends, they look really wiggy. And what happens is, many of us out there, we wear our wigs over and over, and slowly as it ages, we get used to it the way it looks. So sometimes a woman will buy a brand new Freedom after she's had hers for 5 years and not really cared for it, and she gets it and says, that's not the same wig. Well, it kind of isn't, because it's not going to look the same way. So we really do recommend our shampoos and conditioners and low alcohol hairsprays. I've been using these on my wigs for over 25 years and absolutely love them. And so do our clients all around the world. So let's talk about, you've had a wig now, you've shampooed it, you're comfortable with that, and conditioning it, very important for keeping the fibers feeling soft like hair, okay? So maybe you smoke, or maybe you're going through chemotherapy or some type of medication where the scent of the medication actually is going through your pores. It will make the inside cap of the wig have that type of odor. So if you smoke or something unusual, or you're around smokers or heavy perfume, whatever, I would suggest you use the herbal freshener. It's great for between shampoos. Say you're going out, you don't have time to shampoo and condition it, you're just going to go somewhere. So all you do is give it a spritz. Never real close with any of these items, ladies, okay? So give it a little mist. And I love to do it inside the cap. And just shake it and let it dry. you will smell a little scent, and then right away within 30 seconds it goes away and you have a beautiful, clean, fresh scent. So that is a really great idea. Keeps your wigs smelling nice, and that is really important. Okay, the next item I want to talk about is a little extra lusterizer and conditioner between shampoos and conditions. So it's very light, very, very light. So again, this will condition and soften your wig, and that is a great thing. Sometimes our bangs get dry because we perspire here, and the salt from our perspiration, another question many women ask, will my perspiration dry out the wig? Well, perspiration has a lot of salt in it, and typically it will drip to here. So this area can get dry and need extra moisture, and also the bangs. So what I would suggest is spritz the bangs just a little bit and spritz down below where you see that it's dry, and use a brush just to blend the spray all over the wig. And we recommend our metal brush and also our teasing brush. But if you have a brush that you love and you want to commit it to the wigs, please wash it and then don't use it on your regular hair, because your oils and dirts from your hair will get on the brush, and then you're going to brush your wigs and it's going to dirty your wigs faster. Okay, so just brush it and it feels really nice and soft. So that is the lusterizer and conditioner. Now, I am in love with Vivace. It smells so good that some clients even spritz it on their arms, and it's just got like a little vanilla scent. Love it. Vivace is heavy and oily. I want you to see how oily that is. So you do not, I suggest, just spritz it, especially in one area, because that oil is going to sit right there. So I suggest, as a wig is getting older or you want some extra shine, I spritz it on my hands, rub my hands together, and then I am just using my hands, the palms, all over to shine and moisturize my wig. So if you're going to spritz, then do it far. I want you to see, I don't know if you can see that shine, but it is a beautiful shine. Let me see if you can see right here. I'm putting a lot on so you can see. So see how oily it starts to get? And it will dry, but I just prefer the less product on wigs, the longer that they last. But I just feel, and it smells really divine. It smells great. So that is my suggestion. And Vivace is fantastic on your own hair too. It works great. So let me just show you. So I'm just going to show you my messy, messy hair today, but I can just shine up my hair, and it's really great just to add some moisture to it. And it smells fantastic and a lot less expensive than Moroccan oil, which I use all the time. So I love my Vivace. So I hope this helps you, and if you have any other questions, please email us at info@Godiva's Secret Wigs, and know that we have over 300 wig videos on our Godiva's Secret Wigs YouTube channel. And our website is godivasecretwigs.com. You will find tips, tricks, styles, colors, My daughter Danielle and I are passionate about wigs and hair pieces. So I hope this was helpful today, and we'll meet up again soon. Okay? Bye.